From 2 chapters, you may get maximum number of questions. That is the first chapter related to the periodic table and your last chapter, that is electrolysis. So most of the questions will be related to your ionization potential, electron affinity and electronegativity. So let us discuss some of the important questions. You might have seen in your sample paper also a table was given and question was asked related to that table. In that question we have seen that 2 questions were from chapter number 1 and other 2 questions were from chapter 2. Now one of the sure short questions, that is ionization energy. In a periodic table you have 118 elements. So which is the element which has the highest ionization energy? Now coming to chapter number 2, dative bond is most important among these 3. And a question related to lone pair of electron is a must. So how many lone pair of electrons water molecule has? I am sure you know the answer. 2. How many lone pair of electron ammonia has? 1. How many lone pair carbon tetrachloride has? 0. And this question is also equally important, whereby you have one atom X and another atom Y and followed by 3 or 4 questions. So you have to answer according to the question, according to the type of bonds they have and how X and Y will interact with one another. What will be their resulting molecular formula. So without fail, before going to your examination, before entering into examination hall, please make sure that you go through the diagrams of ammonium ion and hydronium ion. Along with this, there cannot be any MCQ examination of chemistry. I think this question maybe in exact manner can be asked in your examination. That is a solution having a pH less than 7, that is acid, react with or combine with a solution having pH more than 7, that is a base. So definitely this is a neutralization reaction and result is water plus salt. Definitely correct option is B, equal to 7. And this very important question, if I set a paper, this question will definitely be there. This is my personal favorite. And the another sure short question which you can expect is the acidity of base and basicity of acid. You have to write number of hydronium ion or hydroxyl ions which are produced. Most of your answer will be related to the precipitate which are soluble in excess of sodium hydroxide and excess of ammonium hydroxide. If you are learning your chemistry from a good teacher like me, just joking, so this chapter is nothing, just 2 tables, one related to sodium hydroxide and another related to ammonium hydroxide, and that's it. And you have to do some mugging work related to colors and the precipitate which are soluble in excess of our reagent. So another important chapter, that is electrolysis. So selective or preferential discharge, these are cations, easy to discharge. You will see this arrow. So question related to preferential discharge is again a sure short question. Not even 99%, 100% sure short question regarding cations and anions. And finally we come to the last slide of this video lecture. Out of all this, let me tell you, this electrolysis of lead bromide and electro refining of copper is very important, and maybe you will get a question related to reaction at cathode and anode. Take my suggestion seriously. This is coming from a senior teacher which has an experience of 25+ years.